All right, let's get started with the cake drawings. I'm going to show you how to do some forms today and turn those into some cakes and some pies. So let's get started by having your paper in landscape mode, and then you're going to separate it. We're going to do 4 practice drawings, do a vertical line, and then a horizontal line. That's going to give you 4 areas. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And go ahead and label those so you know which one I'm talking about. For the first drawing, you're going to do a cylinder. And this is going to be just kind of a practice one so we can get the idea of doing nice quality cylinders. First of all, you're going to start off by 2 dots. And you're going to spread them apart. That'll be the width of it, of your cylinder. After that, you're going to take your finger and you're going to place it in between those 2 dots, and you're going to put a dot on top and below. This is just going to help you get a nice round oval. And you're going to connect each one of those. Sometimes I go around a few times just to make sure it looks nice. Then I'm going to figure out the height and draw vertical lines off of those 2 dots that I first did. And we're trying to make sure that they're the same height. They come down to the same height there. And next, I'm going to, again, put my finger between them, and I'm going to put a finger below this time, but I'm not going to put it up here because I don't want it to be a see-through one. I go down here, hit that dot, and come back around. That's going to make a nice little cylinder there. Okay? Drawing number 2. For this one, we're going to do a cylinder, but we're going to take a slice out of it. So we're going to start off the same way. Height. Okay. Now I'm going to take a slice out of it. I'm going to put a dot in the middle. Okay. And then I'm going to draw a line that comes over this way. Just comes off a little bit there. And then another line that comes over here. After that, I'm going to do a perfectly vertical line that comes down from here to here. And then from here down. Okay. Now you're going to take an eraser. You can do it from here. I don't have one there, so I'm going to grab an eraser. And I'm going to erase this line right here. Okay. Then I'm going to draw another line that comes from here, and it stops right there. And then you can put some more of those lines in there as well. This shows the inside of the cake, and you could even decorate some of that right there. Okay. After that, you could give it a plate. I like to go like this around and just give it a nice little plate. All right. Almost looks like a little hat as well. That's drawing number 2. Drawing number 3 now. This one we're going to stack those cylinders, stack cylinders. So we're going to start off a little bit smaller, start towards the top, and put them close together. And then for this one, you probably just put a little up and down, and go around like this. Next, we're going to do one around it. So off the end here, this one's going to be a little bit bigger. So I'm going to put a dot there, and then a dot over here. Okay. Put my finger between it. This one I don't need to do because it's going to go around it. Watch this. I'm going to go right here, stop, and around. There we go. We give it a height. And then we can go again. Come off of here. come down over around here, so about right like this. Down like this. There we go. We could stack them as high as we wanted to. Okay, number 4, we're going to go like this. We're going to do a line like this. Put a dot about right out here. This is very important. About right out here. Okay, off to the side. And then we're going to draw a line that connects to it. Here. And also over here. Next, we're going to go down a little bit. Down a little bit. Across. A little bit off. So go up. Then we could go like this. Could even do it like this. And there we go. There's 4 different drawings, working with cylinder, and then working with a slice that was maybe taken out of this one. All right, good luck.